Right in the heart of Park Avenue, one of Manhattan's most prestigious medical corridors, Park Avenue Eye Clinic just made a bold upgrade. We're talking instant privacy, a stunning modern aesthetic, and zero construction. This is smart glass spaces in action.
One of the reasons I got into ophthalmology and eye surgery is because of the technology. I love technology. Come watch this with me. This is where it all happens. I change people's lives with these machines to give them great vision. I do Smile here, I do LASIK here. I've invested in the latest technology. But one of the coolest things, and I can't get over this smart glass. So I find myself coming in here playing with this thing back and forth more than I do with the lasers. I love it, right? It's even better than the lasers. Who would have thought?
At the touch of a button, the glass transitions from fully transparent to completely frosted in a fraction of a second. Instant, effortless, total privacy. The system uses minimalist aerospace aluminum U-channels, top and bottom only. No vertical posts, no visible hardware. All electrical components are fully concealed inside the frame, keeping the aesthetic completely clean. The standard 42 by 96-inch panels simply drop into the aluminum channels. No adhesives, no drilling into the glass. And the door module arrives fully pre-assembled and pre-wired, so it integrates into the system in minutes. All power and data connections use simple quick connect terminals tucked inside the base channel. No exposed wires, no specialist electrician required. Clean, safe, and ready in minutes. Installation is built to be fast. A crew of 2 to 3 people, basic tools, an Allen key, suction cups, a drill, and modular prefabricated panels that snap into place. No heavy equipment, no contractors, no chaos.
Smart Glass Spaces installs up to 40% faster than traditional partition walls.
Every connection point is engineered to disappear. The result is a seamless aesthetic. PDLC smart glass transitions from fully transparent to completely frosted in less than 1 second. One touch, complete visual privacy for every patient. And with up to 45 decibels of acoustic soundproofing built in, conversations stay completely confidential too. Installed in a matter of days. Zero construction, 90% of components fully reusable and reconfigurable. This is what Smart Glass Spaces delivers. Premium smart glass technology at a fraction of the cost of custom builds without the disruption.
If you're ready to transform your space the way Park Avenue Eye just did, visit smartglasscountry.com.